we are coming up in here hot and ready to go. For today's video, I'm going to show y'all how to apply eyelashes. I know.
Don't rush me, Katie. I'm just not ready.
I know putting on your eyelashes can be a little scary, a little scurry, you know, and that's why Jada is here to save the day. So yes, if you want to learn how to get your eyelashes on just like this, stay tuned. So right now, you're just gonna go ahead and get your eyelashes. You're gonna get your eyelash, and you're gonna go ahead and get your favorite glue. Now, the glue that I like to use is from the beauty supply store. You can get it for like $2, $3, $4. Well, that's a lot of dollars, but no, you can get it for, I would say at max $3. If it's not $3, you can come back and cuss me out. But this is the glue. Please don't judge me. Yes, it's a little crusty right now, but that goes to show how much I really like this glue. I stopped using hair glue a long time ago. I feel like it irritated my eyes a lot, so I like to use this glue. But you're gonna get your glue and you're gonna go ahead and brush it up against the lash line. I mean the lash line, I mean this right here. Okay, and then once you feel like you got enough glue on that eyelash, you're gonna go ahead and blow it for a bit just so it can get tacky. I would say do this for like a good 5-6 seconds. All right, so once you do that, what I like to do sometimes with lashes, some lashes like to be straight and you don't want to apply your lash like that. I feel like once you lay it on straight, it's not gonna apply to your skin correctly. So I would like to recurve it to its natural shape, you know, curve it back, and then I like to grab it at the end right here, and we're just gonna go down and we're gonna look just like this. And where you want to start applying your lash, you don't want to be too close to your ear duct because it's going to irritate it. So you're just going to come right here. And please ignore this because I recently just had these lashes on and I ripped them off just for this video. Sorry, my camera died, but as you can see, this is the lash. So now we're gonna go ahead and do the same thing to the second lash. So yeah, you're gonna get your glue, apply it right along that lash line. And if you need to apply more, do more, but of course don't put too much to where the glue smears all over your eye. And also, pro tip, also put a little extra at the end because those are usually like the harder spots to stick onto your face. And then if it's straight, go ahead and curve it back just so it can get its shape back, its original shape back. And then hold it at the end and you're gonna go ahead, look back. See? There we go. And just wait for that to dry. And now you have beautiful eyelashes. Of course, practice makes perfect. This is why that I made this video today. Just go ahead and rewind it back if you need help. But babes, you did that. You did that. We did that. So yes, besties, that is today's video. I hope you guys found this video very informative. If you did, give this video a comment, like, and most definitely subscribe. I hope you guys liked the video, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.